Today's leather repair is on a Porsche bolster edge. Gently blow out the seams just to get rid of any dust or grime that might be in there. Using a red Scotch-Brite, I will both clean and key the area. Mask the seat up ready for the next stages of the repair. To repair this kind of damage, I like to use Viper's leather correction paste. It's an air-dried product, or if you need to speed it up, you can just use a hairdryer. It only requires a light skim. When the paste is dried, you can lightly dry sand it with some 400 grit. At this stage, I can now apply some flex base adhesion promoter. Ensure the flex base is thoroughly dried before moving on to apply your dye. The dye system I use is made by Refinish Coatings in the USA, but supplied in the UK by Morelli. I like to apply my dye using a DeVilbiss SRI Pro Light on a 1.2mm setup. You only need to apply a few light coats. Make sure that you dry in between each coat.